of the current Philippine Welding Society President and the new 2019 to 2021 President, Engineer Gerald Gallardo. May I call on his representative to come up to the stage, receive the Sir? May I ask the Sir yung plaque? The Lord? Ito.
I, Reynaldo L. de la Cruz Jr., the outgoing PWS President, turn over this PWS banner and constitutions and bylaws to Engineer Gerard Gallardo, the PWS Vice President. I trust that you will continue to uphold the ideals and constitution and bylaws and protect the honor in the name of the Philippine Welding Society.
On behalf of PWS Board of Trustees and Officers for the year 2017 to 2019, and on behalf of my father, Gerald S. Gallardo, I accept this banner and constitution and bylaws of Philippine Welding Society. By the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, I promise to do everything within my power to promote and defend the ideals and constitution and bylaws of the PWS.